So like I said, if you want to create a pfk, you come here and you click edit. Now I want to make a pfk to sign out, so I used to put sign out in the last pfk, maybe um, 24. So sign out, how do you sign out? SO star, that's sign out, then you put enter. The reason why you put enter is if I create it like this, let me see save, and I click on sign out, you see that it just brought out the command, it did not execute. So the best way is for us to sign out and you put enter, because I don't want to sign out. Okay, let me try it. You have to clear what is here and you click on sign out, and you see immediately it starts executing the sign out. Okay, because I'm still working, you want me to do it again before you finally sign out. Okay, that's even sign me out. Okay, now I don't have sign in, so I need to put the sign in ID by myself, and I put the password. Okay, so that's for the one that doesn't have to answer any question. Now let's go to the one that will maybe tell us to pick an option. Okay, so we'll go back here and we'll click edit. Now I want to create something that I want to create something like a journey record. Okay, so let me put linear JR. So what I want to do is that I want to have my departure city, just because the format is if you have the format is JR dot maybe Bamako, then I'll put S iPhone, then maybe Dubai 23 June. Alright, so I'm assuming I want to create this. I'm assuming I want to create this with a PFK, and the city, I don't want the city to be constant. I want you to be able to change the city. So because I want to ask the question is Fionki Tango. Fionki is the first key before one. Is under escape. So I guess it's the same on your keyboard. Yes, it's under escape. So now Fionki Tango, Fionki Whiskey. This is how to ask a question. Then you put whatever you want to ask inside. So I can put departure city. Now after I put this, then this slash. So I put the slash. Then the S is constant, the hyphen is constant, the O is constant. Let me do, if I want to ask economy or business, don't let me be asking, let me just assume it's a economic class. Then I want I have a city. So I put Fianchi Whiskey to end it. Then I need date, Fianchi Tango. Then I put I have date, Fianchi Whiskey. So now I can press enter. I hope it's clear. If there is a mistake when I'm saving, it's going to tell me there is an error. Okay, so now I assume everything is perfect. I ignore, then I press on linear journey record. So departure city, let me assume Bamako. Arrival city, let me assume, or I need to put the code, Dubai. Arrival date 23 of June. So I press enter. You see, I already have it. Like now, if from the linear journey record, I press escape. So after creating the linear journey record, I want to pick whatever is in the first option. So this is how to pick an option. Then we can go again. Linear journey record, departure city, Bamako. No, let me take Abidjan this time around. Abidjan, arrival city, Johannesburg, 15 April. So now there's a mistake. Okay, because I already have a journey record before. Let's start all over. Abidjan, Johannesburg, 15 April. So now what is doing is do a city. Why is it not picking? Flight, no. Oh, Qatar. So let's stick to our let's depart from Bamako so that we have a good from Bamako to Johannesburg, 15 April. So it should be okay. Because I have Air France there before, so it has modeled the two up, but we know it's ET. So now let's have a replay so that I can get what should be there. Alright, so this is how to make the PF key and this is how to ask question. So what I want you to do now is you are going to create this PF key for me that will ask for itinerary. And you know itinerary is 1. Then we have departure date, and we have the city pier, and then we have Cross of Lorraine, and we have the airline code. So I'm looking at the first person to get it among the 12. You are not doing it now, it's when we come back from the field. So this is for itinerary. Itinerary has departure date, it has the city pier, Cross of Lorraine, then the airline code. Then you can add to sell immediately. Oh, did I press enter? Then sell. So this is what I want you to do, but you are not doing it now. It's when you come back that you are going to do it. So when you get stuck, let me know. I've sent it to the group. So that's the end of our class for today.